Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change volume of our system sounds in Samsung Galaxy A55. The easiest and the fastest way to do it is to simply use our volume up and down keys, push it once, 3-button menu, and here we have our sounds. We have media, we have ringtone, we have notifications, and here we have system. But if this option is not here for whatever reason, or menu is hidden, etc., etc., we need to go to settings. Then in sounds and vibration, we have system sound right here. And here we have the same slider, the same options, plus some more to customize our system sounds. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.